Good morning, everyone. Today, me and my friend will present our material about code switching. For the presenter, question 5.
Okay, definition of code switching. The practice of combining or alternating between two languages or dialects in the same conversation. Code switching is a common linguistic occurrence among can speak two languages, more straightforward and direct, or knows many language, simpler and emphasize language ability speakers. It involves using elements from two or more languages within a single conversation or statement. Both to adjust communication style, convey identity, or achieve specific goals in social interaction. Social functions of code switching. The first one is asserting identity and solidarity, showing ethnic, regional, or social identity. Inserting Indonesian words or phrases into an English conversation. Example sentence: I went to the pasar yesterday to buy some buah-buahan. The function: by inserting these Indonesian words into an English sentence, the speakers insightfully asserting their Indonesian identity or connection to Indonesian culture. It can create a sense of solidarity with other Indonesian speakers who understand the term. The second one, adapting to the listeners. Example sentence: so, gini. Present continuous is used to express ongoing activities, like I'm eating. Adjusting to listeners' level of language understanding. A teacher used to code switching to explain difficult concepts. The word gini is an Indonesian word that roughly translates to like or some or so. The function: in this context, a teacher used gini to simplify and writes the explanation of a grammatical concept, present continuous, to students. It helps to make the English lesson more available by using a familiar Indonesian term to easy understanding. The third one, conveying emotional and humor. Example sentence: and then bayangin dia jatuh nyungsep di depan semua orang, it was so embarrassing. The function is the speaker use these Indonesian words to add color and emotion to the story. Nyungsep is a particular clear and humorous which might not be captured as effectively in standard English. This improves the storytelling and emotion connection with listeners who understand Indonesian. The last one, showing familiarity and intimacy. Example sentence: hey sayang, do you want to go to makan out tonight? I'm malas masak. The function: this example shows the code switching can create a sense of closeness and intimacy between partners. Using sayang as a personal touch while makan and malas makan create a relaxed informal mood. This intimate language can serve as a kind of secret language support their connection. Next.
Yang kelima, avoiding sensitive or taboo topics. Switching to a language that sounds more polite or formal. Avoiding topics considered less polite in a particular language, switching to English in formal situation. Example, so regarding the financial issues, kita perlu discuss this further private. Yang keenam, asserting power or authority, expressing professionalism or higher status. Example, a boss speaking to subordinates using English. Okay team, let's focus on the key performance indicators biar kita bisa achieve our targets. Yang ketujuh, facilitating expression, using words from another language for clearer or more precise meaning. Example, using English to explain feelings difficult to explain in Indonesian. I feel so overwhelmed dengan semua tugas yang harus saya kerjakan. Rasanya seperti mau burn out. Berikutnya, pragmatic function of code switching. Pragmatic function of code switching are the practical reasons people switch between two languages during communication. They switch language to achieve specific goals, such as making a message clear. Jadi, pragmatic function of code switching adalah alasan seseorang berganti bahasa untuk maksudnya yang lebih jelas, lebih sopan, atau lebih mudah dipahami.
Okay, pragmatic function of code switching in English pronunciation. First, emphasizing intent or important information. Highlighting important part of a message. Example, using English to emphasize data or technical terms. Our core business is tentunya to provide the best service for our customer. Explanation, the use of core business provide professional and technical emphasis. The second, providing emotional emphasis, conveying emotion that are difficult to express in one language. Example, expressing anger or frustration with code switching. Example, astaga, I can't believe he did that. It's unbelievable. Explanation, astaga add emotional intensity. Next, softening or strengthening requests or comments. Making requests sound more polite or more assertive depending on the context. Example, softening, could you please tolong help me with this? I'm really struggling. Strengthening, dengar baik-baik, listen careful because this is very important. Explanation, the word tolong and dengar baik-baik add politeness or emphasis. Next, changing the tone of conversation. Changing the atmosphere of the conversation from serious to relaxed or vice versa. Example, so that's the plan. But anyway, what are we going to do for dinner? Ada ide. Explanation, the praise, but anyway, and ada ide change the tone to be more relaxed. Next, implying irony or sarcasm. Conveying irony or sarcasm that may not be false if using only one language. Example, oh, he's genius. Sok tahu banget. Explanation, sok tahu banget add irony to the statement. Next, maintaining confidential or exclusivity. Keeping private conversations secret from people who don't not understand the language. Example, do you think dia tahu about the surprise party? We have to be careful. Explanation, dia tahu, keep the conversation private from others.
Pragmatic function of code switching. Showing group identification. Showing that the speaker is a part of a speech group then share a language of talent. For example, in an Ispon community using the mother tongue for solidarity, Ayogas that have some nasi goreng for lunch is the meat of kampung halaman. Explanation, the using of nasi goreng and kampung halaman shows Indonesian cultural identity. Definition of action accommodation. Definition, the purpose by which a person adjusts their action to be more similar to the action of another person during interaction. Purposes to improve understanding Booling's report of showing solidarity. Social function of actions accommodation. Improving in understanding, interesting, clarity, and understanding in communication. For example, someone with a strong British accent reduces their accent to speaking with native speakers. The building rapport and consent. Adjective action to show an effort to content with the person being spoken to. For example, someone who has just moved adopts the local action to be more expert. Showing solidarity and acceptance. Showing acceptance of another culture or group. For example, a teacher tries to understand and mimic elements of student action from various backgrounds. Teacher, alright class, let's get striking on the project.
The next function is avoiding misunderstandings and conflicts. Avoiding misunderstandings that may arise due to accent differences. Kadang aksen yang berbeda bisa bikin orang salah paham, makanya banyak orang yang akhirnya adjust their accent to be clear. The next, adapting to the social context. The accent use varies depending on the social situation. Ini berarti cara kita berbicara berubah sesuai situasi. Kalau formal, seperti job interview, aksen kita lebih standar dan polite. The next, showing the respect. Adjust accent is a sign of respect to the person being spoken to. Kalau seseorang mencoba mengikuti aksen atau berbahasa lokal, itu menunjukkan bahwa mereka menghargai lawan bicaranya. Next, creating a more comfortable atmosphere. Creating a more comfortable and friendly atmosphere in interaction. Dalam customer service atau situasi pelayanan, orang biasanya adjust their accent supaya lebih dimengerti oleh semua orang. Hal ini membuat suasana lebih warm and friendly. For example, hello, how I can help you today? Is there anything specific you're looking for? Next, definition of pragmatic functions. Strategy, use of accent adjustment to achieve communication goals such as acceptance, credibility, or perceptance modification. Focus, how accent adjustment influences receptions in social context.
The next is pragmatic function of accent accommodation in English pronunciation. So the first one is increasing acceptance and approval. So speaker adjusts their accent to sound more familiar or friendly, so the audience feels comfortable and receptive. Like the example, politician adopting new local accent features like, well folks, I reckon we need to make some changes around here, don't you all think? The second one is building credibility and trust. So matching the listener accent can make the speaker seem more reliable and trustworthy in professional or formal contexts, like a lawyer using local phrases. Like, Your Honor, I believe the evidence clearly shows that my client is not guilty, you heard? And the third is modifying perception and attitudes. So changing pronunciation helps shape how others see the speaker, more competent, confident, or socially fair. For example, immigrant adopting local accent to fit. Like, I'm working on getting rid of my accent so I can fit in better at work. Next, emphasizing group identification. So using a group accent or slang shows belonging and strengthens social bonds with that group. For example, gang member using slang and accent like "Yo, what up, homie? We gotta roll out and take care of some business." Next, avoiding negative stereotypes. Speakers reduce strong regional accent to avoid being judged unfairly or seen as unprofessional. For example, applicant minimizing regional accent. Like, I've been working on improving my pronunciation so I can communicate more effectively in this role. So that's one, controlling social interaction. Like, accent choices can signal authority or submission, helping manage power dynamics in conversation. For example, boss maintaining formal accent, like, I expect you all to meet these deadlines, no objection.
Next, leading humor or entertainment. Using accent for comedic or entertaining effect. Example, comedian imitating accent. Tadi I was walking down the street, terus I saw a VHS.
That's all the presentation from our group. Thank you for watching.